Alright, here we is.
First one's here.
First one's here.
First one's here.
We got the boat in the water. We on the Dan Daniel. We're down here in Milton. Getting ready to go under the bridge right here. Go down here, hopefully catch some stripers. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Here we go.
Here we go, Pawpaw. Let's see that damn. Get a test, give me that damn shadow.
Finally made it here, as you can see. We got all the rods out finally. Had a little mishap on the way down here. Dave's shaft, carter pin on the shaft broke, or whatever you call it, the shear pin broke. We had to fix it, but anyway, we're here. As you can see, we got the rods out. Bait's looking good. Marcus. Bait's looking good, you said?
Yeah. This one here has got trash on it.
Let's see what happens. Nothing yet. We ain't had the bait in water probably 5-10 minutes yet. But here, we got a bite right here. We got a bite right here. See? Hello.
Coming over tonight. Do you wanna drink? Hey, do you wanna party? Hey, honey, this is old Hank, ready to get the thing started. We cooked a pig in the ground, got some beer on ice, and all our rowdy friends are coming over tonight.
Just walk through the door. Got a little whirlpool just made for 10. And you can jump out and you can jump in. You can do anything that you wanna do. But don't you step on my cowboy boots. Do you wanna drink? Hey, do you wanna party? Hey, this is old Hank, ready to get the summer started. Coming over tonight. Do you wanna drink? Hey, do you wanna party?
There's the redneck right there.
Hey, this is rockin' Randall Hank, ready to get the summertime started. We cooked the pig in the ground. He's fast as jelly.
Headed down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. From the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar, a big banjo now. Oh, North Country winters keep forgetting me, and I lost my money playing poker, so I had to up and lay. But I ain't turning back to live that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Walking due south out of Roanoke, I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long tote. But he's headed west from the Cumberland Gap, Johnson City, Tennessee. And I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my